Good morning. Thanks so much for watching 12 News this morning. 726, taking a look out at our haze sky cam this morning. And we want to keep you updated on some power outages this morning happening in northern Kansas. Crews in the Hays and Russell area now working to restore power after gusty winds damaged power lines during this morning's storms. As of 7 o'clock this morning, the city of Russell says about 40 customers are without power and says there are broken poles and downed lines throughout town. We also heard reports of 2 overturned campers in Russell County, but we're told nobody was hurt. The Midwest Energy outage map we're showing you right now shows some more outages in the region in Hayesville near Plainsville. Now you can see more than 400 customers remain without power right now around Ellis County.